Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, Kun Tao. Kuna.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
How are Fine, sir. What about you,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah, great, great. Everything fine?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah.
How's
No
the conditions
lockdown.
in? Sorry, sir.
The the condition these 2 weeks not very good. I think
Yeah.
the COVID-19,
Yes, sir. Same
the
here.
cases are increasing for the last 2 weeks.
Okay.
In some area, small area has been locked down.
Uh, Same here, sir. Conditions in India is also not such
Yeah,
good, sir.
yeah, yeah. I
Cases
noticed
are
that.
increasing.
Yeah,
So, sir, now lab might be closed, sir. I mean,
yeah,
research work
yeah,
would be.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The cases in India is really serious. I think, So
Maybe
take care.
population density might be the reason, sir. And though it is increasing, people are going back to their normal life. They are
Oh,
still taking care of, they are wearing mask and they are taking the precautions, but still it's
so
increasing. And
the student allowed to enter the campus, or
no, sir,
they study online.
they are the online, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think this better.
Yes,
This
sir.
better.
So,
We also going to have an online teaching and learning for coming semester.
actually, sir, this could be a good opportunity as well that we could we could hear you, sir.
Yes, yes,
Though it is pandemic, there are very much, I mean, but some positive perspectives are also there.
yes,
Like we
yes,
can share
yes,
the knowledge at
yes, yes.
Afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah, great, great. Great.
This is Jai Mandalia here.
Yes, yes, yes. I recognize your voice. You are still busy with the departmental admin work.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You must be very busy. I know. But
I
you
mean, we have to look at both the aspects, sir.
yeah,
Academic
yeah.
and administrative both.
To supervise something virtually is more difficult, I think, compared to physical supervision or administration. You need to
True,
monitor the lecturer, monitor the student.
true, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, university is still on working there?
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
are we allowing the students there?
The student need to go through the online teaching and learning.
Okay,
A
okay,
bit,
okay.
a bit, not that, for me, it's not that productive. Especially now they are having industrial training. Some even need to do their industrial training virtually. So
Okay.
it means like our working adult, they work from home, something like work from home.
Okay.
Those that
Even
already in
we,
the workplace and they change from a physical working office to work from home, then maybe okay. But the student who is
implemented here online teaching only, sir. I mean, we are also refraining our students from entering the campus. We are not calling them. We have started
okay.
online teaching only.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Any research work? I think you're all busy. Not easy to focus on research work, I believe, huh?
No, sir. Honestly, no, no,
Our
no research right now going on.
I think our lab also not fully operate. My lab also not fully operate. Well, students
Okay,
still need to request for permission before entering the campus.
correct, sir.
Yeah, and these 2 weeks it seems like maybe the second wave is coming or has come. I think actually it's quite clear when we see from the statistic. I think this is second wave. Huh?
Yes. I mean, even here also our conditions are same only. We ask our students if they want to enter the campus, then they need to go through the ordeal of taking the permissions and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, we shall start.
Okay. So most of the student or the audience are undergraduate student or postgraduate student. Undergraduate, I think.
Undergraduate students and the faculty members.
Okay, 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 okay. So let's
Krunal,
start. Huh?
Krunal, over to you.
Okay. So I try to go through
Yes, sir.
not too fast in about 30 minutes. Huh? Okay.
Good
So
Yes,
afternoon,
sir.
everyone. We have among us Professor Dr. Chong Wan Tong. He is the Associate Professor at University of Malaya, Malaysia. He is the visiting professor at North China Institute of Aerospace Engineering. He is also the visiting professor to Beijing Institute of Technology, China. He is the editorial board member to the SCI Q1 category journals. He is also the guest editor to the International Journal of Energy Research, which is also SCI Q1 category journal. He is also the conference chair of International Conference on Sustainable Energy and Green Technology. He is the head of University of Malaya Center of Energy Sciences. Dr. Chong Wan Tong graduated from the University of Technology, Malaysia, and he was awarded with the Best Student Award for his academic achievement. Leveraging his knowledge and 12 years of varied research, design, and analysis experience in both academia and industry, he continued in his research on wind-solar hybrid energy system with value innovation features in the University of Malaya. Before joining University of Malaya, he was the head of technology and mechanical team in Dyson, Malaysia. He is the professional engineer with the Board of Engineering Engineers Malaysia and also a chartered engineer registered